if it's moving. It's better if it's moving.
Still good anyway.
This.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
That was good, that was good. Well, chip over, lads. You just decked it now.
My turn. My turn.
Huh? Do double backflip flat, please. No. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll just get Miles to say thank you what you want. Miles!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You could have done that.
Shit.
Are they doing it all through the day?
She did front flip there.
No, it was 3 times.
Oh. I thought it was going to smack
Head
back
was
then.
really close though.
Oh, we're running up the thing backflip, innit? Yeah, boy. Ooh.
Your turn. Your turn. Your turn, Steve.
No, it isn't. Do it. He's not good with his ball. No, I think he was trying to jump into it and slide. He practiced more on his ball than anything. Now they just do. On ball. Go on ball.
I've never done that over the mini.